Hi guys, welcome back. This is another PlannerKate haul. This order was from January 25th and it includes some of the new releases from the 25th as well as like a huge hodgepodge of other things that I found either on sale or that I needed to replenish in my stash. So let's jump in and take a look. You do get her business card with the coupon code on the back. You can use this for 20% off your order. You can also use Happy Place 20 for 20% off of your order. That doesn't benefit me in any way, but Kate created that code for me to share with you guys, so I'm happy to do that. And then you always get 5 to 6 freebies. If you're interested in which freebies are currently being offered in the store, I'll put a link up here to my freebie video. And then we can jump right into the order. So I like to do a lot of like PlannerKate Rainbow Weeks or non-kit weeks. I used to do that all the time and I'm getting more back into that, I guess. And so I went ahead and picked up all of these different colored headers. I use the Erin Condren vertical planner. So this just gives me a variety to pick from. And then when I use it, like this is November's color. So if I would use this, I would try to replenish it right away so that I don't have to buy, you know, a bunch of those all at one time again. And then I noticed in the sale section, my very favorite kit ever. I mean, ever. This is hands down my favorite PlannerKate kit. I don't know why it is. I just love the colors and the theme. It's this beautiful kind of umbrella spring themed kit with the pastels, and since it was on sale, I went ahead and picked up 2 of the sampler sheets. Put those down so you can see the full sheets. So I got 2 of the sampler sheets and then 2 of the washi sheets, and I'll probably end up using one again this spring and then keeping one forever and not using it, to be honest with you. And then my full boxes, and then I got 2 of the full box ombres, and then this vertical checklist sheet. And then I also noticed as I was going through some of my old kits that I still had the sampler page for kit 2020. I think that's a misprint. Oh, it's kit 202, and this is add-on 0, which is the wide washi. So anyway, I still have kit 202, the sampler, that I haven't used, and since these were on sale, I went ahead and picked up these add-ons that were available. So I got the icons and the budget labels, the basic labels, the appointment labels, the printed, designed, I forget what they're called, labels anyway, the thin washi, the vertical bottom bar, and the thick washi. And then part of her new release for that day were the kit customs. So in 2021, she changed the font that was used in the kits. So like this is a peek back at January, and this is the new 2021 font that's being used. And so I picked up some of the customs that would go with those kits for the remainder of the year. So I chose church, work, game night, small group, bowling, and Cocoa Daisy, and on call, and that was it for my custom orders. And then part of the new releases were this Gym Plans font in school learning, so I got the neutral black and the colorful version. And then I picked up some of the new doodles, these mail envelope in the neutral and the colorful, these teacups in the neutral and the colorful. And then Kate actually made these after I had showed her a spread that I did. I had taken, this was a sampler week that I did, so I took one of the samplers and made this sidebar, and these are individual dots, and she really liked that, and turned those into stickers, so now you don't have to put individual ones down. So you can see that's all one big strip there. And I picked up 2 of them. No, I lied. These are different. So this is the EC vertical, if you use the vertical planner. So these will fill up one of the full boxes on your vertical planner. And then the sidebar on the vertical planner is different. So I picked up, like, the spacing is different. So you want your circles to line up with the lines on the planner. I did pick up the sidebar one, and then she has that for the horizontal Erin Condren planner and the hourly. So make sure you grab the one specific to your planner, or the alignment might be a little bit off. And then I picked up this kind of ribbon washi post-it note and this washi doodle, and I either messed up and didn't order the neutral version of this, or it's not offered, so I need to go back and check because I like to have both of those sheets. And then I just needed to restock these next couple sheets. So I got the habit trackers and these planners, which are one of my favorites. And then I did this vision board. This is for 2022. I'll put a link up here. I filmed a video using the 2021 vision board, and I have that all set up in my planner already. And then I started another binder for PlannerKate. My other ones were full, so I got this label that can label the 3-ring binders. And then lastly, I picked up March, April, and May of these dashboard stickers. And I did that because I just started using these monthly kits, and again, I'll put a link up here for you. I just filmed a video about this forward planning system, but I wanted the dashboards to match those kits, so that's what that's about. And that is all of my new release and kind of a random order from January 25th. Thanks so much for watching, and happy planning.